my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be cleaning Amara's room because it's a constant mess, and it's not because he messes us up, but he does. It's just because Amara's room is just kind of the room where we like just dump everything, so I'm gonna be cleaning it today because I'm off work, so I'm gonna be doing that. And also he's been saying that he wants to sleep in his purple room, so I'm just gonna be cleaning it, fixing it up a little bit to make it a little bit cleansier. So anyways, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you liked today's video, and for those who are always here, thank you so much for the support. It's awesome, guys. But anyways, enough chitty chatter. I'm going to be cleaning. First, I'm going to show you how the room is looking right now. Don't judge, but yeah, I'm going to show you how the room looks, and then I'm going to be cleaning it. And I do intend on giving the room a makeover because I don't know, right now it doesn't have a theme or anything. It's just blah. So, but not today, but eventually I'll be doing a room makeover, so stay tuned for that videos. But anywho, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so right now this is how the room is looking. As you can see, everything is a total mess. His chest drawer is looking like a pigsty. His little books thing needs to be organized. His drawers need to be organized. There is junk all over his bed. These were some DIY decor that I was working on for an event that I'm doing. So those need to be discarded. Those balloons are from my business launch. And they're still here. Like guys, it's just a total mess. So I'm gonna be cleaning his room and making it look like somebody actually lives here. So yay! I did show you this in the previous video. This is a sign I got for his birthday last year. It had said J-Con, but the J fell off, right? So now it's just Quan left, and guys, it's just dead. I'm not going to put it up back. This is totally dead. I don't know, but this is not gonna work out. So bye bye. So that goes in the rumbles. And yeah, so just the bed, the toys. I've straightened the top of this. It just looks but it can work for now. So right now I'm going to be fixing this and this. So yeah. Drawer that I keep the clothes that he wears in the yard. So over here I have like his sleepers, like onesies and stuff that still fits that he sleeps in. These are like his marinas and stuff. These are sleeveless shirts, and these are shirts with sleeves and pants, shorts. There's still some stuff in the laundry to do, so as soon as those are done, they're going to be added to that. And so close that drawer, and we're going to be tackling his good clothes drawer. So these are the clothes that he wears to go out or church or anywhere like that. I'm gonna be tackling that. Also, his school clothes is in this drawer as well. So okay, so this drawer is finished as well. Over here where the space is, I'm going to be putting his school uniform and his PE gear. This is also one of his school shirts. Uniforms are going to be here. These are just his jeans pants. What would you call these? I don't know, church pants or whatever. Shirts, shorts, shirts, and these are like formal wear type of shirts, I think. But anyways, so that's the drawer. As soon as his uniform is dried, those are gonna go here. And yeah, so the final thing I'm gonna be doing on this drawer is just fix this little area right here. I do need something to put his books in because I have a lot more books that are just stacked up in a suitcase, and I need to organize this shit. So hey guys, so let's go. So the space is pretty small in here, so to fit everything is just a task and a half. These are just some protective sheets that I have. Behind it is like his workbook and some paintings that he did. So I like keeping stuff like this, so I need to find somewhere to keep them. This is his learning binder. This is his home book, and these are a few of the books that we are using for this month. In this I have some goddamn thing won't open. Okay, it's open. Hold on. Finally, it's open. So I just have some of these foam, what do you call them? I don't know, but I just have the different expressions on them. So when we're doing expressions and stuff, happy, sad, whatever, we'll use these. I think I paid like $100 for them. Like, so that'll be like $1 US or something like that. But yeah, these are really fun to work with. So that's just that. And they're just in a wipe scan. Gotta use what I have, guys. No need to go out and buy unnecessary things. And this note I'm gonna put in there is for one of our crafting things that we're gonna be doing this weekend, so stay tuned for that video as well, guys. So yeah, it's not super organized or anything, but it's a little bit better. I do need to get a bookshelf or something, because let me show you, I have So I also have this with books that I got from his godmother. So we have a lot of books, guys. So yeah. So these are just a couple more of the books that we have. So you see the need for a bookshelf. So all right. So I do need to get that. All right. So we are on a roll. So I just need to sweep the floors, wipe it, and I'll be done with Amari's room. So it's going to be clean when he gets home from school this evening and all of that. So I'm just going to be sweeping the floors, picking up the garbage, and finishing. Okay guys, so Amari's room is clean. You can see the difference, guys. Oh my god. So yeah, the room is clean and everything. So guys, his room is clean. Yeah, the room is clean now. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So stay tuned for the crafting video that I told you that we're gonna be doing this weekend. Also for the toddler room makeover, I'm gonna be doing that soon. Plus stay tuned to some other amazing content that I have coming out. So if you liked today's video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have a video suggestion, please leave it down in the comments and I'm gonna be doing it. So until next time, guys, bye.